Let's go. What's up guys, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Now this is part 2 for my Toyan, I believe it is, 4-stroke overhead cam petrol engine. Now in the first video I unboxed it and showed you it run it. It's awesome. I have 2 of them. If you don't know what it is, it's so I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek. It's that guy right there. And now this is where I'm at for this video. This is part 2. It's going to be a quick video because I'm umming and ahhing. I'm not too sure exactly what I want to do or what chassis to put it in. Now, I have 2. There's one here, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll link a card up for that, showing you how that runs. That was just on a test bed. It's exactly the same one. It's just got I built this little stand for it. There you go there. Built a little stand on there, put the little fan belt on there, the fan, that keeps it all cool. And it's exactly the same as that one there. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to go check it out. But basically it's a 4-stroke, uses nitro fuel, and you can use petrol depending on which one you get. But it's got its own ignition system, so it'll start it, and you don't need the glow plug. You can run it normally, but the one I have there, like in the description, in the video I did before, you don't need it. So anyway, this is how it comes, and now I am just not too sure which chassis I want to put it in. I want to do a crawler, I think, because it's torque. You don't need to rev it as much as a normal nitro engine, 2-stroke engine. Because it's 4-stroke, it might be a bit better for low-end torque. Now I'm just trying to think which car to put it in. So I've obviously got the 1/8 scale double E Land Rover Defender here, and it's bloody awesome. I think it fits perfectly. I just also noticed that the head actually matches a similar colour to the car. So how cool does it look? It's bloody awesome. So yeah, now I'm waiting on the clutch belt. And the normal 2 shoe clutches, basic clutch belt that goes on this, like a normal little nitro engine. So I'm waiting on that to come, and I've got to figure out a linking system. So it's going to be it's going to take a while to do this because I have other things I'm doing as well. I work full time, so it's pretty difficult. So I think these are my 3 candidates. This one obviously is the first one. I'm kind of trying to make room. I've got to move that servo out of the way, kind of just positioning it where I can try to marry it up and mate it with the spur gear down there. You know, so it's a little bit tight. Now obviously you're going to have the clutch belt. It's going to probably bring it out another inch or so to give us some more room. So there's that one. Now I want you guys in the description to let me know which one you think is best. Then I got this one. I'll have a video showing you this unboxing of it, but just a quick video anyway. It was just unboxing. This is how it comes. Now I'm thinking maybe something in the rear here would be pretty cool, like obviously getting rid of all that and putting the motor kind of mid-mounted. That look pretty cool, kind of backwards, kind of like that. The fan will be facing the other way depending on the direction of the motor. I think that'll be pretty damn cool as well. And kind of leave it all open so you can see the motor spinning, all that kind of cool stuff. Because in this one it'll be like a real car, you won't be able to see it. But in this one, these 2 here are 1/10 scale. In these 2 1/10 scale cars, you know, it's a little bit bigger, but this one will look cool because you'll be able to see it. I think it'll look badass, kind of like those real rock bouncers and stuff. Now I'll leave the link in the description for this as well. If I haven't put the video up first, this might be the first time you would have seen it, but it is pretty cool. It's basically the same. I think it's 313mm wheelbase, kind of same as like an Axial SX10-2. Then I have this one. This is the TFL Bronco 1/10 scale as well. This is probably one of my favourite crawlers. Like this one here, it's a metal tubular chassis. This one goes a bit far and beyond. TFL make fantastic boats. They do awesome cars as well, but this one is all metal. Pretty much only plastic is the dashboard, this floor plan, and the actual outside of this is fiberglass. But anyway, I was looking at this. Now I can't take the body off at the moment. I was just looking at it actually, and this one might be perfect as well. It actually has metal shock towers, and it would look like it would act as a metal, or it would look like it would act as motor mounts for the motor, for the engine. Sorry. Now I think that will look sick. Imagine this guy in there. You know what I mean? That'll look cool. Because on the side of the block here, it's got 2 holes and 2 holes. And if you look here, you could easily adapt that, because it's got the holes are being occupied because it's got the electric motor in there at the moment. But imagine that. That'll look pretty cool. So I think, what do you guys think in the description? It's going to be a quick video. The bouncer, exposed engine, the Bronco, all the double E, both going to be you know, hidden, but the double E is kind of, that looks pretty cool. That scale looks about right. It's got a working hood and everything. I don't know, I'm looking at this now because I know that the transmission and the gears in this are machined. They're much harder. They'll take a pounding compared to this. I'm not too sure. Look, this won't have the power of a brushless setup. I think it's got half a horsepower or something like that, but you know, it's so damn cool. Like I said, I'll leave the link if you want to go check it out, but just, which one do you guys think? It just fits so well in here, eh? Look at that. Obviously you can make it work a bit better, so you can lower the, maybe make that flush, or imagine cutting a hole in there and having the head exposed. Not only would it look cool, but it also aid in cooling as well. That'll look cool, because look, even the I'll put the other one in there, and even the fan misses. Yeah, I don't know, what do you guys think? You know, it's not a bad predicament to be in. It's pretty damn cool. I do like them. Someone was saying you should put the hit and miss engine in one of them. Yeah, that's not going to work, but what do you guys reckon? What do you guys think? Do you want me to show you quickly that one starting? I'll show you quickly if you haven't seen it. Now the starting system requires a 2S or 3S battery. Now I've gone through this much more in the other video I did, but basically you got this little servo tester which cranks over the starter motor, which is just here. Yes, it has its own starter motor as well. So you know, I'm just running 25% nitro, and you know, it's got it's like timing ignition system. So it's got its own ignition system, as you can see, or you can use a standard style 2-stroke, you know, or the nitro plug. Once it starts, you just take it off. But this one, once it starts, it doesn't keep sending power. It just once you turn this off, it stops. Pretty cool. But let's go. Starter motor, one-way bearing, it doesn't keep spinning, it stops. Stop it, put your finger there. That's it. This saw oil spitting out here, that is just the excess oil from the sump. You can put like a little bottle there to capture it. You know, every now and then just empty that bad boy, but that's what it is. So as you can see, basically it. But I'll leave a link in the description for that one to see how that works. But pretty sweet, eh? Damn cool. Let's see if it starts. The gap. Sounds like a 4-stroke as well, eh? Obviously because it is, but pretty damn cool. Awesome, I love it. Disconnect that. Now obviously this is the whole dilemma with this. I've got to set up a return spring and then put the servo for the throttle and all that kind of good stuff. But this is not going to be a quick project. Something that I thought would be really cool, and a lot of you guys will sure as hell be interested in. So yeah, links in the description, please. Links in the description for all that kind of cool stuff if you're interested. And let me know what you guys think, or if there are any other options that you think I should put it in. You know, I'm open for suggestions. So thanks guys, hope you enjoyed this really quick video. Part 3 will be coming up, or maybe we'll find a candidate and actually start working on like body mounts, engine mounts, setup for the server, all that kind of cool stuff. But you know what, it's all going to be fun. As long as I'm smiling, as long as you're smiling and you're enjoying the content, that's all that matters. And if you haven't, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified of all the good stuff coming up. And also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So cheers guys, see you in the next video.